Here I have Cat S53, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So to do this, all you do is to just press combination of keys power key plus volume down at the same time like this, and the screenshot will be taken. So let me show you once again, power key, volume down, so easily. You can find your screenshots in Photos in the Screenshots section, and here they are. And from here you can share, edit, search with lens, or delete your screenshots, or perform any other action from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.